I think this is on. Okay. Yeah, it's book review time. Because I'm clown's doing a whole bunch of these because I'm taking a little time off. Because Captain Crazy and crew's planning on a nuclear war. If we don't get rid of Captain Crazy and crew, we're going to have a big nuclear war, but we're due to 5 little ones first. Okay? That's 5, folks. Now, Captain Crazy is planning to do something stupid with Russia. Okay? Hopefully not. But, you know, he's crazy. The longer you have him in office, we might get the threat of thermonuclear war. Big number 3. We don't want that. So go yell at your assemblyman, your congressman. You go yell at the Democratic National Party or committee or whatever, and you scream on them. You scream on Apple. You scream on Google. You scream on YouTube. Because Clown doesn't believe in violence. I'm using humor. And humor always gets them. Do you want to die? Vote Democrat. Die in a nuclear holocaust. Okay, I'm keeping this short. Remember, this kook is trying to do 5 small nuclear wars until he ends in 2024. If he lasts that long, and before the election to bring in everybody's in the media. Worst thing is, once after the survival comes up, they're going to hunt down scientists and reporters and government officials like you would not believe, like in the Dark Ages, and burn these people to the stake. So I'm trying to prevent that. Okay? I'm using humor. Because I have to tell you people, because you're kind of really stupid out there, we have the dark winter next year. That's 2022 to 2023. And if you watch Yankees Outdoor Adventure, that's the Mountains of the Moon. Where did I put my notebook at? Yeah, getting old. That's why I always warn people. Okay, I gave you a warning. Now it's survival run. If you think you could still prep, listen to this song by Terry Jacks. Keep warning people. I'm trying to remember, am I doing a book review or not? I think I am doing a book review. Okay, let's see. Nuts. Okay, we know about the first 5 phases, and we're going through it. And phase 5 is occurring, and if nobody remembers, and I can't remember where I put the chart at, but phase 6, holes. Now, I told this to a TV friend of mine who works in the Hollywood industry, and on the Peacock network, they made a movie on my weird stories, and they kind of freak out. I tell people that giant holes will be all over LA, and they'll fall in, and they end up in a prehistoric land. And he laughed, and we laughed. We had coffee and lunch, and he went away. That was 2 years ago. Now the Peacock network streaming is doing, I think, a TV show called La Brea. All good for him. Good luck. I hope it's a big success. That's why you carry EDC all the time, folks. You might end up someplace you don't want to be. Okay? Yeah, let's see. No, don't forget, next year in 2022 to 2023 is Mountains of the Moon. That's where normal people goes. Blah, 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 blah. Okay. Let's go check out Mama Bear's Prepping. She's already at 2,000 and more. That was my last count before, yeah. Leave a nice comment. Now, I sent her one of these books. I always recommend this. Okay, I sent a whole bunch of different books, but this one is a good one. 52 Unique Techniques for Stocking Up for Food for Preppers. Okay? And this has a lot of stuff. I don't want to make 52 videos trying to explain it. This is a book, so she can read it up and understand what I'm talking about all the time. I don't like the term prepper. Okay? That's a new phase. That's why Uncle Alan's an old survivalist. Like my great-grandnephews say, Uncle Alan's so old, he's from the Fred Flintstone days of survivalism. And no, it's not like the 80s and those idiots running around in camouflage. That's another video I gotta do. But this is also a good book you should read. It's a textbook. And then everybody, this is just knowledge. You can still get this. Remember, Dark Winter is next year. Because right now, a lot of people are going, am I attacking in your front yard? And crime is rising, so it's time to get tough. Okay, folks, I'll catch you later. And this was a book review from Old Uncle Al. And go check out David Lind. See, I did do a shout out for you, David. And it's the Prepper Principle. Catch you later, folks. Yeah, have a nice day. Bye.